I am excited about what the Day of Learning entails for each and every one of you. Because when I go to the schools and I see our students in action, the things that they do, the inquiry that they're involved in, all of the scientific experiments that they get involved in, my mind is blown.
Whether it's the great moments on top of the climbing structure or the painful moments or all the moments in between, what our children need from us most is to pay attention, to be curious and interested, to get it, and to reflect back what we're getting. Because when we do that, then they understand themselves.
We just finished listening to our amazing keynote speaker, Dr. Russell, at the PIC 2025 conference, where we have an amazing display of community tables showing us our community partners and resources that can help us as parents and guardians within the Halton District School Board.
Yeah, we have now 30 workshops, over 30 workshops from across the school board and the community, talking about topics ranging from AI and technology in classrooms through mental health, literacy, mathematics, all of the things that you would think about that you'd want to learn about as parents.